Welcome back to my channel Mix Manai Journey. I hope everybody is doing good. Mesan lang bokado kawita kardom pen nang litum pini sini channel ke lang cheng lang prote kang hon pen nang subscribe dun ikvek tha la so video bang ke pini neli ni favorite mate ni favorite snacks ini nang litum hanang che share la hai bostu nang litum ta ning dog di ma nang litum comment sa long nang pi ik tha la pen ladak Lakhimpur long ke kache thang nai bogi pua isi pastry shop do ladak pansi chota chummi piktiti ladak pansi ni litum ke nam silang iktha asona bostu la bangke hen ki up la so hen men pick an la ben chota chumi sen an Lakhimpur long hen thipopo bang kedak long lien ta la sona hen nai bong bang hen bang amen chini ne det lo anda chumi sen la so a hen ki up dak ma lo to bini ha Hello friends, today I'm going to eat what is this? Dahi chaat papri. Okay, I'm showing you now. So this is the dahi chaat papri of Lakhimpur Rajasthani sweets. Ye dekho, yummy. I just love dahi chaat papri. I used to eat so much when I stayed in 6 Mile Guwahati. I used to go and eat in what is that shop called? The place where I used to go and eat dahi chaat papri in 6 Mile hala hai Bazaar Domati
near Naga kitchen.
Kali hala by Govinda Mati, not that one. Hala kosam yang ho. Actually to that lo I left Guwahati for a long time, so I forgot. Oh yes, I remember Nayantara. In Nayantara also we used to get very tasty dahi chaat papri in Guwahati in 6 Mile. And today I'm eating from Rajasthani sweets, Lakhimpur. After a long time. My favorite. Cheers! Momo is my favorite. La so thiamen ke kevi butho asap so lir se ko ang bong bang ke asap so nempo jokon pre la so na jade arthap so thor dok jo ka jak ates na dia long ke long sum unip nga ayo so pum thom ben ka an la hai kevi hai pum thom pen 150 okay hala hai avocado ta ho la hai kiwi lai bang hai di ador so chat